Hi guys, my name is Jonas. I'm here at ISH where we are exhibiting some of our district energy solutions. And I'm super excited to be here because I think it's a really important time and place that we are in. We see a lot of uncertainty in the market with a gas conversion that cannot go fast enough. We have fluctuating prices more or less every day, and we don't have enough hands to solve it. Here at RSH, we are we are providing some of the solutions that will help with these challenges. On the heat production part, we have waste heat recovery stations that can be used for supermarkets, but it can also be used for data centers or other applications. We have on the distribution network, we have our iSet controller that is an AI-based controller that will make sure that you have the optimal pressure settings across the network. And on the heat consumption part, we have launched our Titan station that is a digital twin of a station, making sure that your station is always commissioned at the right point. On top of that, we have a range of software. So we have our heat production software where we can plan the optimal production, whether it's a heat pump, it's a biomass plant, or you have multiple storage tanks throughout the network. You can always make sure that you have the optimal production to bring down costs of heat production. We have our Lean Heat network that helps design new networks, helps forecast the loads in the networks, and making sure that you have full transparency in your network at all times. And then we have our Lean Heat building part that does peak shaving for buildings, and Lean Heat monitor that gives you a constant transparency into the consumption of the building. I hope to see you here at ISH or join us online.